Many growing mid-market companies lack the real-time visibility required to manage their operations because QuickBooks or a legacy on-premises accounting application can't provide it. Last week, I shared exactly what this looks like for one company, and this week I'll show how Sage Intacct's unparalleled data reporting and dashboarding architecture solved the problem. If you missed last week's 3-minute video, check it out at the safe link displayed on the screen, but hurry back for this week's storybook ending. I'm BTerrell, managing partner of BTerrell Group. We've been automating back offices using Sage Intacct out of a North Texas office longer than anyone. Sage Intacct's reporting and dashboarding engines access general ledger data directly, which means 3 things. Number 1, the data is current as of the most recent posted transaction. Number 2, Excel, data warehouses, and other third-party reporting systems, they're no longer necessary. And number 3, no one ever has to ask the question, are you sure this report ties to the general ledger? I'll never forget the golden moment when our prospects saw Sage Intacct deliver on the outcome of real-time visibility into their financial position. We were in their conference room and updated a dimension value, refreshed the dashboard, and instantly saw the adjustment reflected on screen. No exporting the entire general ledger to Excel. No complicated VLOOKUP or sorting data transformation. No importing into a data warehouse for further reporting. And no starting over at the beginning after uncovering an error 30 minutes before the beginning of the board meeting. If it's time for your growing mid-market organization to replace QuickBooks or that legacy on-premises accounting application, and you're ready for an ideal outcome of real-time, easy-to-access, detailed visibility into your financial position, call me, and we'll discuss how Sage Intacct, along with unlimited access to the report writers we make available to every BTerrell Smart Suite member, can achieve a storybook ending for you. In the meantime, insist on membership in BTerrell Smart Suite.